Want to give clients access to their agency analytics dashboard directly from your own website? Here's how to embed a dashboard using an iFrame. To get started, first locate the custom login URL. In Agency Analytics, open the Users page. At the top of the page, the custom domain login URL appears highlighted in the brand color. Select Copy to copy that link. Next, add an iframe to the page on the website where the dashboard should appear. This step typically requires basic web development knowledge, so assistance from a web developer may be required. Here's a sample HTML snippet to use. The snippet is also included in the description. Replace the existing link with the custom Agency Analytics login URL. Once the code is added to the website, the embedded frame displays the same login page staff and clients normally use. After signing in, dashboards and reports appear directly within the site. For best security, placing this iframe on a secure, authenticated page of the website is recommended. And that's it. No additional configuration inside Agency Analytics is required. Once the iframe is embedded, everything is ready to go. Ready to simplify how clients access the reports? Start your free trial of Agency Analytics, the purpose-built platform agencies trust to deliver results.